Hello everyone! Today, I'd like to show you how I created this cute little dog pencil holder. It can be used as a home decoration or as a gift. Let's get started. First, you need to download the free laser cutting file from my link and import it into your software. I use xtool Creative Space and the SVG file format. Next, you'll need to adjust the settings for your laser cutting machine. For engraving, I use Power 80 and a speed 180 for my xtool D1 Pro 1 OW laser. For cutting, I use Power 100 and a speed 3. Be sure to check the manufacturer's instructions for your specific machine. Once you have the settings set, simply follow the instructions in the video tutorial to create your own unique dog pencil holder. Please make sure you are wearing face and eye protection. After all the parts have been cut out, we need to use sandpaper to smooth and clean our pieces. This is not a quick process, but it is quite exciting. Then we will assemble this design. For this project, you will need the following materials: parts of the design, glue, paper, and paper tape. Let's begin by assembling the design from the bottom up. Take a smaller piece of the base, apply glue to it, and place it on top of the larger piece. Once the glue is dry, you can remove any excess glue. Then take the dog part and mini rings, apply glue on them, and insert them into the stand. Final step is to apply to the dog design and insert it into the base. You are done. Hope you like your result.
Thank you so much for watching my videos. Follow my stores. My Etsy store link is in my bio. If you watch this video until the end, you'll get 50% discount in my Etsy store. Message me on Etsy that you are from YouTube and I'll give you a discount.